Hey kids, how are you all today? Happy, excited, hungry? Oh, get some milk and cookies. So kids, today we will create mud wall Warli painting. Means first we will create mud wall and after that we will do Warli painting over that. So how many of you loves to play with clay? Just raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. OMG, it's a huge number. Cool. So kids, Warli art is done by tribals of Maharashtra. So today we will also do Warli painting on our own mud wall. So let's get started. So for mud wall Warli painting, first we need to create mud wall, and for that we need this sheet of paper, Fevicol, fine soil, tea sieve, empty bowl, spoon and little bit of water. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll keep this sieve over this empty bowl and we'll add this soil. 1 spoon and 2 spoons and 3 spoons. And now we'll gently sieve it out. This soil you will get from your gardens easily. So can anybody tell me why I am sieving this soil? Okay, no problem, I will tell you. So I am sieving this because we need this fine soil for our mud wall. That's why I removed all the big pieces out. Now I'll add 1 spoon Fevicol inside it. So the tribals of Maharashtra use soil and cow dung cake for the mud wall, and that's because by the help of cow dung the walls become sturdy and smooth. So in place of cow dung we are using this Fevicol, and this will do the same thing because it's sticky in nature. So now I am adding 1 spoon water. Now I will mix it with my fingers. I am comfortable doing it by finger. If you want, you can wear gloves for that. I will add little more water to it. Now I'll mix it again. Now our paste is ready. Just look at the consistency. It should be this much. So now I'll take this sheet of paper and dip by 3 fingers like this and gently take them out and spread it over the sheet. I'll start from the top and go till the bottom. So the technique for doing this is to spread it in the curve shapes, small curves. 1, 2, 3. So now I will tell you that why the tribals of Maharashtra do this Warli painting. So when the men of house go out for some work, then those ladies feel bored. So just to pass their time, they start doing this painting on their walls. Okay, so I am almost done. We just simply need to cover the paper so that we'll not able to see any white area. We need not to overdo this. So now it's done. Our mud wall is almost ready. I am simply covering the left out white areas. Rest is done. Now I'll keep this under the sun for an hour. So I kept this dried one ready for you. Now you can see I had drawn some pictures just for the reference, and if you are not able to see it clearly, the art is like this. Some men and women are dancing and two kettles are standing on both these sides. So now just only one thing is left to color it out, and for that I'll take this white color, some water and these brushes. So now I'm gonna start. Now I will tell you how you can create this circle. So for that you can take something like this, just keep it here and use your pencil and mark some reference points. Okay, and on those reference points you can create some men and women the way I did. So I will take the smallest brush. Now first I'll dip my brush inside the water, then I'll take some white color. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do, I will create axis, letter X. In Warli painting, we use lines and geometrical shapes like circles, triangles, squares and much more. So here I am using letter X to make it more easier and simpler. For now, you can try this over a sheet of paper. Go fast, get a sheet of paper. So now all the X's are done. Now what I'll do, I will make a triangle. See, from one X I'll able to make two small triangles. Now this is the body of our Warli man, and this is Warli woman. Kids, do you know what the tribals of Maharashtra use for Warli painting as colors? No? Nobody? No problem. I'll tell you. They use rice powder and add some water inside that and paint with that. So who all love to play with clay and soil? What you do with the soil? Okay. You made small toys. Great. I also make toys out of clay. Okay. You simply jump inside the mud and clay. Okay, great. Now the bodies of our men and women are almost done. Yeah. Now we are done. Now first we'll create their legs. And for that, what I'm gonna do, I will make one small line, another small line, one small line, another small line. Who will tell me what do we call these type of lines? Okay, for your reference, I will create one here. Lines like this, this, or this, or this. So come on fast, who will tell me what do we call these lines? Good job! We call them slanting lines. So one slanting line, two slanting line, three slanting line, four slanting line, another slanting line, one more slanting line. Yay! You can also create reference artwork on your mud wall so that your work will become easy and you will able to complete it faster. Fine. Now what I am gonna do? First I will create head of a man, just a circle. Now another man, and why I skipped one image that I will tell you later. So another circle, one more circle, one more circle. Oh, ये तो साथ साथ छोड़ देना. Now I will tell you why I left these ones. So this one is a man, and now I will create a woman, and for that I will add this here. Now she is looking like a woman. I'll do similarly with this one. Yeah, another smaller circle. So we have a man, and after that a woman, then another man. A man, a woman, a man, a woman. Now we are only left with their hands. So what we're gonna do? We'll simply make one slanting line and two slanting line. Isn't it easy? just like this. 1 2 1 2 1 2. So now our men and women are done. Now we'll paint our kettles. Create a kettle is very simple task. Simply create 2 triangles first. And create another triangle which will work as a head of a kettle. Okay. Add one slanting line, another slanting line. Here also one slanting line, another slanting line. One slanting line, another slanting line. If you want, you can also create some trees. And to create a tree, what you have to do? You have to create a long slanting line like this. Another slanting line. Okay. We'll add few more slanting line inside the tree. Inside the trunk of tree. So now the trunk is ready. Now we'll add few more slanting line. If you want, you can also use curves in place of slanting line. I am using curves here. And for the leaves, I am using slanting line. Now our tree is almost ready. Create another tree over here. For that, I'll create one slanting line and another slanting line. See, as we all know, the trunk of a tree is thicker from the bottom and bit thinner on the upper area. So I am creating something like that only. Now I will create some curved lines. Can anybody tell me which tree is this? Good job. It's a coconut tree. Now our mud wall Warli painting is done. Now tell me how it's looking. Okay, so you enjoyed that? Great. Using these mud wall paintings, we can create small houses. So here is our Warli art. Isn't it looking really beautiful? This is our Warli house, or you can say hut. So now practice it at your home and let me know the feedbacks. Bye bye.